Hello friends, I'm here to introduce myself. My name is Natanael Tandirogang with the status ID number 521-342-0036. Here I will present telecommunication technology that will bring us to the future. Is the 5G. Here is my explanation chart. 5G is the fifth generation is the term used to refer to 5th generation as the next phase of the mobile communication standard beyond the 4G standard. The existence of 5G is inseparable from the history of the previous generation, namely its first is 1G. In the first generation, radio signal is transmitted analog, and the speed is only about 14.4 kilobyte per second, and the next is 2G in the speed by 9 kilobyte per second, 3G in 480 kilobyte per second, 4G up to 100 megabyte per second, and latest generation is 5G. Have speeds up to 1 gigabyte per second or more. Not only the advantage of 5G speeds, there are many more things that are superior to 5G. Here are some of the advantages of 5G with the previous technology namely 4G. We can its latency is more than 4G. Data traffic, data rates, available spectrum connection density is the maximum in the maximum 5G is advantage. Not in this case, 5G already looks very superior in the many areas compared to 5G, 4G. Next, features on 5G technology. First feature is low latency. As low as the 1 milliseconds will be the order K for WAN usage. 5G latency may bring additional flexibility that business decisions of their branch office MPLS infrastructure in the favor of the less expensive and the more flexible 5G connection to brands. This is especially true in the retail or shared infrastructure or very remote environments. The most discussed 5G feature is increased speed and bandwidth. As its bandwidth, with a data rate of up to 10 gigabit per second, 5G will bring a 10 times to 10 100 times improvement over the existing 4G LTE technology. Cellular is now a potential technology for branch office automation because when connectivity finally have enough bandwidth. Increased capacity for the 5G is increased, especially for the coverage where the coverage for 5G itself is quite wide. With the one network, a maximum of up to 1 million users can be used, and also the availability of sufficiently stable speeds in the network. And the next is the measure of challenge 5G. First is cost to build and cost to buy. Building network is expensive and carriers will raise the money to do it by increasing customer revenue. Much like LTE plans incurred a higher initial cost, 5G will probably follow a similar path. Next is security and privacy. This would be a challenge with any data-driven technology, but the 5G rollout will have to contend with both standard and sophisticated cybersecurity threats. Though 5G falls under the authentication and the key agreement, a system designed to establish trust between network. It would currently be possible to track people nearby using their phones. Next is development and coverage. Despite 5G offering a significant increase in the speed and bandwidth, its more limited range will require further infrastructure. Higher frequencies enable highly directional variety waves, meaning they can be targeted or aimed. A practice called beamforming. The challenge is 5G antennas, well able to handle more users and data, beam out over shorter distance. And next is regulation and standard. Government regulators will figure into 5G development, particularly with the additional infrastructure required to spread out the network. And next mentioned